Hey guys, can you believe that Amazon makes billions of dollars and pays zero in tax? This is really incredible. The big companies make all the money and the small taxpayers like you and I pay all the tax. It's so frustrating when you're asking your tax person a question and you don't have the confidence that they even know what they're doing. You're Googling for answers and you're not really sure if it's the right answer or the wrong answer. And this is the reason why you are just so frustrated. You can't build wealth if you can't keep your cash in your pocket. That's why I want to teach you on my free training how to write off almost anything. I am Carla Dennis. I am a licensed enrolled agent. I am licensed in all 50 states. I hold a master's in taxation. I've been seen in Forbes magazine, MSNBC, entrepreneur.com. And I want to make sure that you learn what you need to know so you can write off almost anything too. And it's really simple. It's really three things that you need to know. You got to understand the tax system so you can work the system legally. You have to understand how the IRS works so you can stop fearing audits. You have to understand what those rich people know, the top 1%, so you can keep your cash in your pocket. I want to teach you that. It's so important. I want to educate you on what it is that you don't know. Come on, so I can educate you. Did you know that the IRS has really identified there's really two types of taxpayers? Those two types of taxpayers are either ultra conservative or ultra aggressive. The ultra conservative taxpayer barely takes their write-offs, barely get write-offs. The ultra aggressive taxpayer takes too many write-offs. The conservative taxpayer fears IRS. Fears IRS. These people over here, they are running from Uncle Sam. Running. They could care less. These people over here, they have some receipts. And let me tell you, the ultra aggressive, they don't have any receipts. They don't even care. What type of taxpayer should you be? You should be the type of taxpayer that follows the law, that follows the code, the IRS code. And that's what I'm going to teach you on my free training, how to write off almost anything. You need to click on the link below and join me. I only have so many spots and so many people that I can train. But if you want to know how to write off almost anything, keep your cash in your pocket, if you want to stop fearing IRS, if you want to be like the top 1%, pay little to no tax and keep your cash, you got to join me on this webinar. I can't wait to see you on the other side.